Our staff goes that extra mile to ensure everyone walks away happy and satisfied. It's part of our top-notch 5-star experience, and we're excited to share the latest rave review with you. So it should come as no surprise that we love hearing from people that are happy and satisfied. And this review is no exception in showing our dedication to superior service. This is also one of our favorite reviews, very inspiring. So let us put our thousands of hours of dedication, experience, and 5-star service to work for you today. We'd love the opportunity to earn a great review from you too. We appreciate you taking the time to drop in on us today. You can contact us anytime at the number on your screen. We hope to see you soon.